Good day, everyone, and good day, Sir Earl. We are pleased to present our game development projects titled Flood Rush Bayanihan Rescue. This presentation focuses on selected sneak peeks of our game. Please note that what you will see today are sample assets and features, and the game is not yet in its final form. Our game title is Flood Rush Bayanihan Rescue, and the designers and developers of this game are our group, Daloy Game Studio. Flood Rush Bayanihan Rescue is a 2D arcade survival game where the player takes on the role of a volunteer rescuer navigating flood-affected areas in the Philippines to rescue stranded civilians and animals. In the following slides, we will present and explain what you can expect from game. This presentation represents only a small portion of the project as it is still under development and not yet in its final version. And my group mate, Christian James Coates, will discuss the next slide.
Next is the main menu in Blood Rush. Bayanihan Rescue provide player with essential guide and automation option to improve gameplay understanding, and accessibility. First, we have the Start Game button. Allow the player to begin a rescue mission when selected in transition the player directly to the story and level introduction screen where the object, location, and plot condition are presented. This option is placed at the top of the menu to emphasize its importance as the main action of the game. Next, we have settings menu is the in Blood Rush Bayanihan Rescue. Provide player with essential guide and customized option to improve gameplay understand and accessibility. Instead of overwhelming the player during the gameplay, in instructional information or organized inside the settings menu to keep the main menu clean and simple. Now we have exit button. Allow the player to safely close the game is in positioned separately to prevent accidental selection while still being easily accessible. Next na presentation is my group by Isidoro Bernalin.
So this is our game settings, and this is the game's how to play guide. WASD, move the rescuer or vehicle around the map. Left click, pick up and rescue civilians and animals. Right click, use a power up to help during rescue missions. Next presenter is Crystal J. Tulas.
Power-ups are special items that help players progress more easily and enjoy the game more. Each power-up is designed for a specific stage of the game. First, wooden bars are used in the early stage when the water level is still low. They help the player move safely through basic obstacles. Next, the jet ski is available in the mid stage where water current becomes stronger. It allows faster movement and better controls. Lastly, the small rescue boat is used in the later stages with the floods. It is more durable and helps the player survive through through challenges. Overall, powers up add strategy support and excitement to the game. And with that, I would like to pass the presentation to Coach.
Next, this program is also a function. Now we can select the setting, then we go to the settings menu. Then when you go back the main page, we click menu. Then exit. We have a example of the area, this, and the player. We have example already. And in conclusion, Bloodlust Bayanihan Rescue is a 2D action survival game designed with a simple and intuitive UX to insecure, smooth gameplay through its rescue mechanics and progression system. The game highlights the value of bayanihan and teamwork during disaster. That's all, and thank you.